You won't believe what my parents said to me when they finally found out that I did OnlyFans management. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums. I'm the owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check out our agency at YourOFEmpire.com or check out my social media at Bjorn Olsen Official on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to my video. They didn't care. Ha! If only I had known this when I first started. But when I first started and I first came up with the idea to start an OnlyFans management agency, I was creating another set of social media accounts so I could grow an agency and start cold outreaching girls without my family or friends knowing. The worst was going through my head because I'd never dealt with OnlyFans before. I'd never dealt with, selling porn before. But I had to make the decision and I had to think to myself, if I want to grow this agency and if I really want to make a lot of money and make a name doing so, am I going to be comfortable with my friends and family knowing? Well, I figured the answer had to be yes, otherwise I might as well just stop there. So if your answer to that question is no, well, you better just stop there, turn off the video, go do something else, because they're going to find out. There isn't two ways about it. They are going to find out. And guess what happens when they find out? Your family's probably not going to care. Well, they might a little bit behind your back, but here's what I said to them. I said to them, okay, I've done e-commerce for a few years, and I found out that OnlyFans is actually e-commerce without all the downside. I'm not selling my product. I'm helping another person sell their product, and there are no unhappy customers, and you have an unlimited supply of inventory. So unlike the mobile accessories that I used to sell, you used to get messages, oh, my phone case broke in the mail. Do you have this size? How come this works for iPhone but it doesn't work for Android? Why doesn't this charger work? Can I send it back? You know, all the stuff that comes along with cheap mobile accessories. Well, you don't get any of that with OnlyFans. You have no unhappy customers. You sell for a premium and no one's going to get a refund. Oh, look, there can be the odd dick that can actually reverse a payment on OnlyFans, but that's a whole nother story. Point is, tell that to your family. When you say why you got into this, tell them, well, you were used to marketing for e-commerce products, and now you found an e-commerce product that has no downside. It's not like you're putting your body on the line. It's not like you're putting your naked body on the internet. These other girls want to do it. And guess what? Half of them can't be bothered learning all this nerdy shit that you like. Anti-detect web browsers, proxies, image cloakers, multiple phones, removing metadata. You love all this shit. And half of the girls don't. So guess what? Makes the perfect marriage. And exactly what I just said is what I said to my family. And after that, they were like, you have a good point. Now your friends are a different story. Your friends are actually going to say you're a pimp. That's the first joke I got. And guess what? I didn't mind it. It was kind of exciting. Just have a lot of fun with it. When they call you a pimp, say, you know what? Yeah, I need to get me a cane. My point is, when you get into this, there's no two ways about it. Everyone is going to find out. If you don't think everyone's going to find out, then you're not ambitious enough. So get comfortable with it. Everyone's going to know. So have fun with it. But when you're explaining it to your family, explain to them about the e-commerce thing that I was just talking about. This will help kind of give them perspective and how you're essentially marketing a product and how it's a perfect marriage between a girl who doesn't want to learn all this nerdy shit and a guy that already knows it that's used to e-commerce. Emphasize that when you're telling your family, and when you're telling your friends, try and tell them that. But most of them are just going to take the piss and call you a pimp and have a lot of fun. But fuck it. It's cool. Not many of them do it. A lot of them are going to be jealous. So my point is, to wrap it up, just fucking run with it. Don't be a scared little shit like I was when I first started this. Don't think, oh no, I'm going to have to create a second identity so no one finds out. Just own it, just commit to it. And when you tell your family, when you finally tell them, just emphasize the e-commerce part, all right? Just focus on that and then they'll go, okay, it's all business for this guy. And that's it. So if you like my little ear beating, go smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.